Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I share tips to help you travel the globe without a worry in the world. My videos are going to help you with packing and be less stressed because you stressed less. I have packing tips for a carry-on bag. As a Houston pilot wife, we never get to travel with checked luggage because we don't want to delay a flight by them having to pull our bags off the plane we did not have room on because they were full again. So my tips and tricks are going to help you pack what you need and those essentials for flying in a carry-on bag. I learn something new from every trip I go on. I have tips to help you go through the Transportation Security Administration line. Many of you are nervous. I even feel like I'm in a hurry when I'm going through the TSA line. But with my tips to pack the correct way and get ready before you get to the airport, you are going to be less stressed and go through in your own time, but not holding up any of the passengers behind you. I have some videos about outfits for vacation that are going to help you coordinate those pieces so that you only pack what you need in that carry-on bag. In March, I gave you a video about the best travel shoes that I have used. I also have features of what to look for in a crossbody bag before you buy crossbody bags. I have tips that help you pay attention to the details when you are traveling. In a hotel, I have tips for those. I have travel hacks that will help you use other items in a creative way so that you're not having to take up space in your bag. If you have not seen all of the comments in some of my videos, be sure to check those out because you are the smart ones who share ideas with me along with the ones I get as a pilot wife. We've been married 20 years this April, so I'm going to add to those tips by going to Hawaii. If you click the bell beside subscribe, you'll never miss one of my free travel tip videos. I used to teach elementary school, so I try not to waste your time and just give you the headlines, like my husband says. Anyway, thanks for your time and enjoy popping around my videos. Leave me a comment telling me who you are, where you're going, and your biggest fear this year or now that you're traveling again. Thanks again.